Offering our time, money, and effort to help others makes us feel like we have true worth in the world. But how much do you invest in yourself for all the time you spend helping others? Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Worth of Channel, the place where we are on the path to achieve the first 1 million net worth, enjoy the financial freedom, and early retirement. Please don't forget to like and comment your thoughts, share it with your friends and family, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more videos like this. Investing in yourself is essential since it can make your life better and cost little to nothing at all. However, investing in yourself is more than just opening a savings account or purchasing a home. Self-investment is frequently geared toward the present rather than planning for the future. It presents itself in a variety of ways, including investing in your health, learning new skills, self-improvement, and much more. And here is why you should invest in yourself. 1. It makes investing in others easier. Those who are hesitant to make a change for themselves believe that investing in yourself is selfish. However, that approach places too much emphasis on the source rather than the outcome. When you invest in yourself, you're not the only one who benefits. Your new skills, views, and overall well-being radiate out to touch the lives of others in real and meaningful ways. Perhaps you exercise, gain energy, and become more productive at work, much to your boss's delight. You may enroll in cooking classes and teach your mother a new way to prepare one of her favorite dishes. Alternatively, perhaps you devote time to learning financial strategies in order to send your children to a prestigious university. In short, investing in yourself increases your worth. Stronger relationships are the result of that value since it allows you to share, teach, and otherwise be a constructive influence. 2. You ensure sustainability when you invest in your growth. When you invest in yourself, you are likely to receive the most favorable results in terms of your financial stability. If you consider it vital enough, getting the extra boost to excel in your work is a part of investing in yourself. For example, if you work as a designer for a marketing firm, you might take extra classes to learn how to code for web designing. Investing in your career outside of what your employer provides, such as in-house training, gives you leverage and increases your earning potential. You become more useful than your colleagues who are content with what they are provided if you invest time in additional training. Besides, you'll have a better chance of getting promoted and earning more money. And as a result, when things are bad, you can rely on the investments you've made in yourself to bring you through. 3. It always produces a positive outcome. We usually think about investment in terms of risk and clear paths to success or failure. When we lose money on an investment, we usually don't have anything to show for it. For instance, if you put $1,000 into stocks and they go bust, leaving you with $10, you've just wasted your time and money. Investing in yourself, on the other hand, is very different because even our mistakes offer something positive. Our failures always teach us valuable lessons that will help us succeed in the future. Plus, we reap a slew of intangible advantages when we invest in ourselves, whether we succeed or not. An investment in yourself always yields positive results, from broadening your perspective and developing the ability to contemplate different points of view, to increasing awareness and reforming your views to match with reality. Final thoughts. In the end, you should understand that personal, financial, and social investments do not all occur at the same time. Growth is a process that needs time, effort, and inspiration to complete. Besides, you are the only one who can decide to invest in yourself, and now is the time to begin. So, do you think investing in yourself is a good idea? What is your strategy of investing in yourself? That's all for today, guys. We'll be here for you every Sunday, so stay tuned to 1 Million Worth of Channel.